Welcome back to Brains, Bots, and Business, the show that helps you talk about AI without sounding like you just discovered Wi-Fi. By now you know what AI is. You know how it learns, how it breaks, and how it earns your trust. But today I want to talk about actual tools, the bots people are using every day and what makes each one so different. Because not all bots are created equal, and if you're using them like they are, you're missing the magic. Let's break down 5 of the most popular AIs out there, and then I'll show you how to use them together like a boss. First up, the most popular one, ChatGPT from OpenAI. This is the one you probably heard the most buzz about. It's like your brainstorming buddy, a writing coach, and code assistant all rolled into one package. It's incredible at long-form writing, summarizing info, explaining complex topics in plain language, and even generating code. But here's the catch. It's not always up to date, and unless you've got web browsing turned on and you're using some plugins. So if you're writing something creative or polishing client emails, ChatGPT is your go-to. But what if you need real-time data? Not so much, which brings me to tool number 2, Perplexity AI. Perplexity is like ChatGPT's street smart cousin. It's got real-time web access. It cites its sources and it delivers answers with links so you can check the receipts. It's fantastic for research. Let's say you're working on a blog or a training document and need accurate information. Perplexity gives you just that extra layer of trust. Then there's Claude, built by Anthropic. Claude is the best if you're dealing with massive documents, PDFs, contracts, employee handbooks, you name it. Upload the whole thing, ask questions like, what are the biggest risks in this agreement, or summarize the onboarding steps. It's less flashy, but super dependable when you're neck deep in documentation. Now I want to switch over to Gemini. This is Google's AI, formerly known as Bard. Gemini shines when you're already deep in the Google ecosystem. You can ask it to pull insights from your Gmail, summarize trends from your Google Sheets, and even clean up a messy Google Doc. It's like having a smart assistant living inside your Drive. And last but not least, I want to talk about Midjourney or DALL. These are your image bots. Type in a description like a futuristic boardroom with graffiti art and glowing data screens, and boom, it gives you a visual. Use it for social media graphics, concept art, or even to mock up campaign ideas. It takes some practice to get the prompts right, but when you do, it's an absolute game changer. Now here's where it gets fun. You don't have to pick just one. Let's say you're planning a content campaign. I'd start by using Perplexity to do the research on an industry trend. I'd feed that research into ChatGPT and ask it to write me a blog post. Then I'd go to Midjourney to create the featured image, drop all of it into Gemini to format and email it. Or let's say you've got a 60-page training manual. Use Claude to summarize the key points, then ChatGPT can turn that into an onboarding sequence. You see the pattern? It's not about which AI is the smartest, it's about knowing which AI is right for which job and then combining them together, just like how you would with members on your team. In closing, the real AI advantage does not come from mastering the one tool. It comes from orchestrating the many, each of them doing what they do best. So don't just prompt, compose. See you next time on Brains, Bots, and Business.